How to delete cookies and cache in Chrome. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open Chrome app on your device. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From here, select the option of settings. Now, under the option privacy and security, select that. Here, you will find the option delete browsing data. Tap on that. Now from here, you want to select the option of cookies and cache. If you want your browsing history to remain, you can simply uncheck that, but make sure that you have checked cookies and site data and cache images and files over here. Then you can select your time range. You can select from all time to last 15 minutes. Go ahead and select whichever you want. Then tap on the delete data option. Now tap on delete. Now it will take some time. After that, your cookies and cache will be successfully deleted in Chrome. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.